Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Kumar Singh. In today's video, I am going to tell you about Forever Living Products Company. This company is a multi-billion dollar industry which manufactures and sells wellness and beauty products throughout the world. This company was started in 1978. It was founded by Sir Rex Mohan, who is not with us today, unfortunately, but his son, Sir Greg Mohan, is still continuing with the legacy of his father and is doing extremely well. So this company was started in 1978 by his father, Sir Rex Mon, who invited some of his close friends and family members in a meeting, and there he conceived the idea of this business. He said that he would like to manufacture some of the best products in the world for the wellness of the people, and the policy was that the people who consume these products, they will be able to say about the benefits what they have got, and they will be able to promote to the other people about this. So that was the main idea behind this plan of this business. There were no other people involved, there were no third party involved in promoting the business. The people who use these products, they were given the choice to join the company as distributors, so that they will first use these products, and then after feeling about these products, about the goodness of this product, they will be able to promote well to other people. And that's how it happened, and it started growing. The business started growing, and today it has existence in more than 160 countries, and it is doing so well. So with this idea, he started the business, and he acquired lands for growing aloe vera plants. The best kind of aloe vera in the world is today Yellow Barbandis Miller, and this company is proud of producing the best kind of aloe vera, 99.7% pure aloe vera, and it is distributing all over the world. So, while manufacturing, the special care is taken so that the quality, the potency of the products are well maintained. It is not compromised at all. It is grown in a very hygienic condition, hygienic atmosphere. So this company has its own manufacturing facilities, research and development, quality control, and also the different distribution channels. So that is how this business was conceived and promoted. And later, people started getting benefit of this plan. This company also has a specialty uh, in the field of producing the best kind of honey in the world. So this industry has another branch for keeping bee and producing the best kind of honey, because this product is quite useful for health. Honey and both aloe vera and honey are natural products, and so people like it so much, and the it is available now in around most of the countries in the world. So this is the business of Forever Living Products Company, about which I thought I should speak to you, and I hope you like this, and if you like, would like to subscribe also. If you want to know more about this company, you are always welcome to me, and just call me or text me. I will be able to answer your questions. If you are interested to go start further a career in this business, you are most welcome. So today, uh, this is all about I wanted to say. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time and goodbye.